pretty stoked because I just got my Black River, and that means I'm gonna have to switch this stuff out. Oh, I think they have a special tool. I think Yellowwood has a special tool. So, one set of trucks and one set of wheels. And this is coming from Portugal, guys. Shout out to Portugal. I just saw Yellowwood. Shout out to you guys. I just saw your store in Portugal. That's one of the best fingerboard stores. It's one of the best stores in here. Yes, sir. We got the Ywheels. Yeah, baby. Got the Ywheels. Got the trucks. Dang, those things are wide. 34mm trucks. Yellowwood stickers, baby. Yellowwood stickers, baby. Some more Yellowwoods. And some more, baby. And then we got the trucks. I got the gold base plate and the silver hangers. So, that'll go perfect with this one. Drop a spin. Open these junts up. However do you want it? However do you need it? I'm so stoked on these wheels. They did a good job on these wheels, dude. I hope that's focusing. I really do. Because these wheels look amazing. Like, as close to real skateboard wheels as you could get, dude. Like, I don't like all the swirly crap. I like white wheels. These look amazing. Okay, so oh man, dude, these things are humongous. Man, they look so good on this board though, and they're lower, dude. I don't know if you guys could tell, but they sit way lower than, oh gosh. These are just tech deck trucks, all right? But they sit, they sit way lower than tech deck trucks. And they didn't give me a tool, bro. Oh, they did. They gave me a tool and screws, more screws. But let me show this to you guys. Things like to move. They sit lower than tech deck trucks. I don't know if you can see that, but they sit way lower. So, I'm gonna put these on one of these boards, and I'm gonna get back to you guys. And I don't know. Since they're lower, they might give this board more pop rather than tech deck trucks. Because I got tech deck trucks on here right now. So. I need a grip too, so because I got the Berlin wood grip. I got black velvet on this, and then I got some clean sheets on the way, but I put the Berlin wood grip on this. It's not too grippy, but it doesn't suck. But yeah, let me set this up and I get right back to you guys. All right, so I put the trucks on there already, since that was the most labor intensive part. All right, yeah. That thing looks awesome, bro. Got the trucks on there. All right, so let's take these wheels out. Oh my goodness. The papa. Look at him. We focus. I don't even know what camera. There's 3 lenses. I don't even know which one is focusing. Focus. Focus. Yep, they're about to go on there right now. Yep. There's a setup. I'm gonna take some like pictures and close-up video of it for it. This is crazy. I can't believe this, dude. Oh man. And the crazy thing about it is, it's a side view. Crazy thing about it is, this is my first pro setup on a board, on a fingerboard. I've been fingerboarding for I don't know how long, as long as I've been skateboarding, and I've never had a pro board. And this is blowing my mind, dude. I might sleep with it. Just like put it on my bed and sleep with it. Because it just looks awesome, dude. It looks awesome, feels awesome. Now all I need is some new grip. Straight up. Alright, it gets a little different on the wood. I don't know. There we go. Woo, that was buttered. But yeah, dude. What are you doing? You want to get in the video? You want to get in the video? He wants to get in the video. Say what's up, Rafa. Say what's up, Bubba. Wave. Good boy. Good boy. Look at you. You so pretty.
Let's go.